McPherson from McGrath Estate Agents.
And I'm Adam Cook, and welcome to our latest listing at 1A Wattle Lane in Cooee Bay.
This low maintenance, ultra modern 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is a stone's throw from the beach and a quick walk to the CBD.
Come on in, have a look.
What I absolutely love most about this property has to be the functional layout. I love how the galley style kitchen connects effortlessly with the outdoor entertaining area and dining room.
So guys, that was 1A Wattle Lane in Cooee Bay. If you'd like to view this property, please don't hesitate to call Anna and myself. Thanks for viewing, see you on the next one.